Living with diabetes can feel like a constant puzzle. You know healthy eating is key, but with so much conflicting information, it's hard to know where to start. What about vegetables? They're supposed to be good for you, right? Well, yes and no. Some veggies, while delicious, can pack a hidden punch for your blood sugar levels. But don't worry, this doesn't mean you're stuck with a boring salad every night. Let's explore some surprising veggies to be mindful of and discover tons of tasty diabetic-friendly alternatives to keep your meals exciting. Number 1. Corn. Who doesn't love a juicy cob of corn on the cob? Sweet, crunchy, and seemingly healthy, corn does offer some fiber and B vitamins. But here's the secret. Corn is also relatively high in carbohydrates. A study in the Journal of Medicinal Food found that large amounts of corn can lead to blood sugar spikes, especially for those with insulin resistance. Processed corn products like chips or flakes are even worse due to added sugars and ingredients. So next time you're craving corn, try a small portion or opt for a colorful salad instead. Number 2. Potato. Let's face it, mashed potatoes and French fries are comfort food classics. But for diabetics, these spuds might be best enjoyed sparingly. The culprit? The glycemic index, GI, of a food. The GI measures how quickly your blood sugar rises after eating. Potatoes, especially when boiled or fried, have a high GI, causing rapid blood sugar spikes. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition even linked frequent potato consumption to an increased risk of type 2 diabetes. Don't despair, potato lovers. Roasted sweet potatoes are a lower GI alternative, or try incorporating other delicious root vegetables like carrots or turnips. Number 3. Parsnips. The parsnip deception. Parsnips may look like pale carrots, but they have a different nutritional profile. These starchy root vegetables contain more sugar than many other veggies, which can contribute to higher blood sugar levels. A University of Sydney publication listing the glycemic index of various foods places parsnips quite high, making them less ideal for diabetics. But fear not, veggie adventurer. There are countless other delicious options in the cruciferous family, like broccoli or cauliflower, that are packed with nutrients and won't spike your blood sugar. Number 4. Peas. Peas are undeniably cute and colorful, packed with vitamins and minerals. The not-so-secret secret. They also have a higher carbohydrate content compared to other green veggies. A study in the European Journal of Clinical Nutrition reminds us that understanding carbohydrate quality and quantity is key for diabetes management. The good news? Peas can still be part of your diabetic diet. Balance them out with other non-starchy vegetables and keep portion sizes in mind. Explore a rainbow of green options. Try sugar snap peas, green beans, or leafy greens like spinach or kale. Number 5. Beet. Beets have become trendy in recent years, touted for their potential heart and brain health benefits. But here's the thing, they're also high in natural sugars. When consumed in large amounts, beets can lead to blood sugar elevation. A report in the Journal of Nutritional Science and Vitaminology confirmed that beet juice can cause significant blood sugar spikes. But hold on, beet lovers. Before you banish beets forever, consider this. Everyone's body reacts differently to food. Regular monitoring can help you understand how these vegetables affect your blood sugar levels. Preparation methods matter too. Fermenting or pickling beets might lower their sugar content. The key is portion control. Enjoy beets in moderation and balance them with low glycemic index foods to minimize their impact on your blood sugar. Managing diabetes can feel overwhelming, but with knowledge and a little creativity, you can create a delicious and balanced diet. While some vegetables might need to be enjoyed in moderation, there's a whole world of fantastic diabetic-friendly options waiting to be explored. Remember, informed choices, regular monitoring, and understanding your body are key. So don't be afraid to experiment and have fun in the kitchen. With a little planning, you can turn diabetes management into a flavorful adventure. Thanks for joining us. Like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informative and delicious diabetic recipes and tips.